Hi traders, and welcome to episode 30. So this is going to be the last episode of this first take of the FMG syllabus. So I just want to say thank you for this is a thank you video. So I just want to say thank you for all the support and all the positive feedback that you guys give me throughout the year. And obviously just the messages that all private members send me, just telling me how much they enjoy my content and how much my content has helped them. That's just something that I'd just like to take the time out to say thank you as well, because this is my passion and you guys do make it worth it. Seeing you guys become better traders is something that makes me happy as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this first video syllabus. So this is episode 30, and I think for this episode I'm going to wrap it up now, and just hopefully you guys have learned the majority of what I've got to offer at this present moment. But as again, I'm still on my learning journey as well. And when I get a bit of feedback from a few of you, you may have a few more, like I say, episodes I can add to. That's why I've kind of not just ended it right now. This can just kind of say this is a pause in the episodes until I get feedback from members and until a few of you might want other things you want me to cover. There may be things I've missed, because like I said again, I tailor all my services for what you guys need and for what is going to be the best way to help you guys utilize me as a mentor, because that's what I'm here for. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this syllabus, and once you guys have digested and taken in all the information, I'm more than open to any additional videos you'd like made and anything. Like I said, this is all going to be uploaded into the members zone anyway, and I can make more videos at a later date. But I just wanted to say again, I'm so grateful for all the support over the years, and let's have a great 2020. Thank you for watching, guys.